Okay, this is video 3 for the watercolor pencil painting. So I have found my image. I've got it right here next to me on my phone. You can certainly work from your tablet or work from a printout. Either one or any of those is fine. So what we were going to do is we're going to draw from this landscape photo into our sketchbook. We're going to kind of do like little thumbnail sketches. So I'm going to draw a rectangle to start. So this image is horizontal. So I need to make sure that I draw a horizontal rectangle here. So what I want to do is just do like kind of a rough sketch of where things fall in this image here. So what I always do is I look for the horizon line first. So my horizon line right here is where the land meets the, almost like the sky, but actually this one where this is water, where it meets the land right there. So it's just above halfway. So I'm going to draw that in. I'm going to draw a little bit darker so you can see. And then I'm going to start drawing the skyline. So with this project, or the tree line, pardon, with this project, it's going to be more abstract. It's going to be an abstract landscape. So you don't have to worry about things being perfectly in place. Actually, I don't want you to have things perfectly in place. Just want you to get like the definition of the different areas. So look for changes in value to kind of help you decide where you want to put some lines. So like for instance, all these lily pads down here, I'm going to draw like just some general shapes around them. This is not perfect. And you know what? After I draw this, I'm going to look at it, and if I decide I don't really like it, I'm going to pick a different image. So it's like not the end of the world. If you change your mind, just change your mind. It's okay. Now, you can't change your mind 100 times because you got to get the project done, but you know what I mean. All right, so then I'm going to draw some clouds up here. All right, so I've got kind of a rough sketch sort of drawn in. I don't know if I love this one. I'm going to keep working on it maybe a little bit. I might try a second sketch where I do a little bit more in detail. Maybe I pull some of the clouds down here into the water area. But what you want is to not worry too much about it being totally perfect. You just want to make sure that you have enough spaces. Like you don't want it to be too simple, but you don't want it to be overdone. If you're not sure, come talk to me about it. That's why I'm here. We'll talk about what you're doing, and if you need to add more, maybe your landscape, maybe you need to pick a different landscape because it doesn't have enough, or maybe you'll be right on track. Okay? So step 3 is to do this sketch, no shading. Once you've done your sketch and you're satisfied with it, you are going to switch and go onto your watercolor paper that you already taped to your board here. So you are going to take your pencil again, and you're going to transfer from your sketch onto your finished paper. So same way, you're going to do, just draw onto your paper using a sketchy line. Go pretty light with this because the pencil will show. You don't want to do any shading. You want to do all just really light pencil lines. I like to have kind of like closed off spaces. Like I don't like to have little lines that sort of end like that. I want to have a closed off space. So I'm going to keep working on this, and I'll show you when I get it done. I'm done with the sketch. I'm ready to move on to step 4, which is going to be picking my color scheme. Come show me what you've got done so you can move on to the next step.